What sounds more appealing to you? Earning $1,000 in straight cash at the end of the year for just doing nothing, or earning 50,000 points that you can use to travel the world while also doing nothing? I guess it just depends on who you are, but I am slightly more inclined to go for the travel points. Traveling for free and getting more people traveling for free was part of the motivation behind this channel. So let's get into how you can earn even more in cash back and travel credit cards. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Fisher, and today we're talking travel and cash back. Whether you like to keep things simple and just earn straight cash, or you like to travel with all your points you collected at the end of the year, this video is for you. We're going to be talking about how to earn either more points or more cash. Let me ask you something real quick though. If you get to the end of this video, or even the middle, and you realize that you like this video, then well, why not consider just tapping that like button? Only takes a second, and with that said, let's get into 5 ways to earn more with credit cards. We're gonna start out pretty simple here and get into credit card offers and welcome bonuses. If you wanna earn more, then you definitely need to be adding offers to your credit card. Right now, American Express is offering you 8 membership points on eligible purchases through Amazon with the American Express Platinum card. That's just really good. During the holidays, I definitely spend more at Amazon, and this is a great way to go about earning more points through Amazon and typical spend. You can also use a service like Rakuten to earn more cash back on your cards if that's your idea too. If you're going to shop at Nike, for example, then you might as well get 10% cash back on your purchase. That's way higher than any companies ever offer on their credit cards, or at least that I've seen. The welcome offer I mentioned just a second ago, with credit card companies increasing welcome offers all over, then you might as well take advantage of it and get those welcome offers for various cards. You could apply for a card, hit the spending bonus, then apply for another card and earn another welcome bonus. This is called credit card churning, and while I don't actively go out and do it, I try to keep things a little bit simple. You definitely can get out there if that's your motivation. If you want to have 10 plus cards to use and not keep things simple, then you can definitely become a credit card churner. This is where you apply for a credit card, like I said, earn that welcome bonus, like this Southwest card to earn 80,000 bonus points after spending $10,000 in the first 9 months of account opening, and then you apply for another one and get even more bonuses. You do need to be more active and be a bit more wary of Chase's 5 to 24 rule, for example, or other credit card companies' rules that they have against people applying for too many credit cards in a short period of time, or you could suffer too many hard inquiries. But it is definitely an idea to earn a ton of points or cash back depending on the cards you go for. You could definitely earn pretty easily 1 million points in a single year if that's what you wanted to, and you want to apply for 8 to 10 credit cards in a single year. That's probably just the fastest way to earn a ton of points with credit cards. Next, we move into referring your friends. With most credit cards out there, you get a bonus for referring people and then getting them approved to sign up for a credit card that you may have. With the American Express Blue Cash Preferred, you can get $125 for each friend or person that you refer. And I think this would be a great time to mention that you can earn $250 after spending $1,000 in purchases with the Blue Cash Preferred after you click the link down below, which is my referral link, where you can earn, well, I earn $125 cash back, but you earn $250 cash back, and it is my favorite card right now. You can check a full review in the corner. I use it for grocery store purchases at 6% cash back a year. It's just incredible. As long as you spend $250 a month on average on groceries, then the annual fee is easily worth it for that extra 6% cash back compared to 3% on some other credit cards. You could also get it and then refer your friends for $125 each. Sounds like you're buying your friends out or selling them, but I promise you this card is totally worth it as long as you can beat up that annual fee. Moving on, we have an idea where you can earn or look for deals through travel websites. For example, if you sign up with Southwest, you can earn extra points by shopping with them. This works similarly to Rakuten, where you add them to your browser and then they find deals for you while also letting you earn more. For example, Nike. You can earn 4 points per dollar you spend with them through Southwest. You don't even need their credit card, but rather link your credit card and start shopping. Hotel chains and other airlines also do this to let you earn more with your spending without having one of their credit cards. It's a great option for people not looking to have 20 different credit cards trying to earn the max points for every dollar you spend. I like to keep it relatively simple and just use these offers combined with credit card offers to earn the max amount of points. Next, we have the option to start a business that requires you to buy things. You could start a drop shipping store, which requires you to spend money on the product and potentially advertising costs. This is where a ton of people, or you can see a ton of people, who talk about earning millions of points a year. Well, they just have drop shipping sites that earn a ton of points through advertising and dropshipping costs. They can also constantly sign up for a card like the Chase Business Preferred, and with their various businesses earn 100,000 bonus points each time they sign up. Let's look at a quick example for a second. A dropshipping store that spends $1,000 a month on advertising alone will earn 3,000 points a month with that credit card, the Chase Business Preferred. That's 36,000 points a year, which is easily enough to get a hotel or flight for free. While you don't need to go out there and start a dropshipping store, you could go out there and try to start a business. It doesn't need to be product-based, but service-based also needs to purchase things throughout things. You can earn money from that. Of course, you should start a business with the intention of creating something better to help others, rather than just spending money to earn for free travel for yourself. Finally, something I do most often is ask to pay for things myself and ask people to pay me back, along with choosing the right card to get the max amount of points in that scenario. For example, if I'm out to dinner with friends, well, something I haven't done in quite some time, I always offer to use my credit card because I earn 3x per dollar spent on my dining purchases. That's an easy 300 points, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up over time. And even though I only spent maybe $20 in this example, I still got rewarded for the full purchase of that. On a $100 bill, that's like earning 15 points per dollar spent. Everyone pays me and we're all good. You can also do this for business expenses and ask to be reimbursed. If you spent $400 on a flight or hotel or whatever, then not only do you earn points on staying in the hotel or on the flight, you do earn points from the actual payment of the flight. If you get reimbursed for travel, then consider using your own card and travel rewards account to gather these points while traveling for business. Then you can use those points that you've gathered to travel for yourself for free. Along that note, I would not use my Blue Cash Preferred when going out to eat, but rather a card that earns more points in specific categories. My Blue Cash Preferred earns 6% at supermarkets, so I'm going to use that card when I go to the grocery store. I won't use my Freedom Unlimited to earn 1.5% back at grocery stores when I can earn 6% with the Blue Cash Preferred. If you wanted a specific hotel card like the World of Hyatt credit card to earn more points spending at Hyatt, then do that. Maybe you can earn 3 points per dollar you spend on the Chase Sapphire Reserve and transfer them out, but you'd rather have 4 points per dollar spent on Hyatt hotel purchases and use it specifically for Hyatt. Just looking for ways to maximize your cash back or points earning potential is the best way to earn more points, or find cards that earn bonus points if that's your style too. You can credit card churn or just max out your points like I do to travel for free. Let me know your best ideas to earn more cash back or travel points in the comments below. I upload videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I forgot, on travel and finance. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.